The impact of vegetable oils on health depends. It depends on how much you're consuming. Why? Because vegetable oils are rich in omega-6 fatty acids. You need some, but not too much. Why not too much? Because those omega-6 fatty acids are the building blocks of very powerful inflammatory hormones that accelerate aging. They accelerate disease. They make you fat. So the better question is saying, not try how much omega-6 fatty acids I need, is what's the right balance of omega-6 fatty acids to omega-3 fatty acids, because the omega-3 fatty acids give rise to less inflammatory hormones. So it's a balance. So what's the right balance? A very small amount of vegetable oils and a lot of fish oil, meaning eating a lot of fatty fish or taking fish oil supplements. And that is basically the pathway to a longer and better life.